Welcome to Petro Projik's Welding Insights series. Today we're focusing on hydrogen-induced cold cracking, or HICC, a critical challenge in welding carbon manganese and low alloy steels. HICC is a hidden threat that often appears hours after welding, compromising material integrity and safety. So, why does HICC occur? It requires three key factors: diffusible hydrogen from moisture or contamination, high tensile stresses from welding or external loads, and a susceptible microstructure, typically a hard heat-affected zone. Where does it happen? Usually at the weld toe, root, or fusion line within the heat-affected zone. Timing is crucial because cracks can develop well after welding is complete. Preventing HICC means using low hydrogen electrodes, proper preheating, controlling heat input, maintaining clean surfaces, and applying post-weld heat treatment when needed. Understanding and managing HICC is essential for welders and engineers to ensure safe, reliable welds in critical structures. At Petro Projik, we turn knowledge into capability. Together, we achieve success.